Game works like this. We're going to be watching television. I'm going to have the remote control. And whenever I say switch, they're going to move back and forth, and we're just going to be watching different television shows. So, what is a television show that you've always wanted to exist that just does not exist?
Star Wars.
Justin Biebs.
You know what? I'm going to mix the two. Justin Bieber, Star Wars.
I'm waiting.
What about what's another show you've always wanted to have existing?
David the Office.
What? Like that doesn't exist.
Day in the life of a ninja.
Underwater Western. Underwater Western. Switch. Now a language that you just don't understand that you want them to do something in.
Canadian.
Awesome. Greek is your suggestion. Switch. Now, like, what's an action figure or a toy that doesn't have a show that should?
Aquaman.
J. Biebs.
I don't know if you want to then tap
Oprah.
You know, an 8-ball. 8-ball is your suggestion. Magic 8-ball, you know?
Yeah.
Don't count on it.
Yeah. Have we got one for you guys yet?
No.
Okay, so, like a song that's going to be their inspiration. What song?
Hit me, baby, one more time.
Stand by me.
Wrecking Ball.
Yeah.
Wrecking Ball. Wrecking Ball is your suggestion. Switch. So they're just going to recap for us. They're going to recap for us what their station is. What is it?
Justin Bieber, Star Wars.
Switch.
Underwater Western.
Switch.
Greek.
Switch.
Magic 8-ball. Wrecking ball.
I can't wait for that one. Players, are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
Luke, there's something I must tell you.
What?
You're my baby.
You're so dorky.
Switch.
Well, if it isn't Stinky Poon.
Snorkel Bandit. I'm the fastest harpoon in the West.
Yeah, you better be shooting faster than me, son.
You're gonna be glubbing. You're gonna be glubbing.
Oh, I don't think so.
Switch.
Compano, Cesar, Octavio. Oh, Griggy.
Ooh, the planets are in such good alignment today. Did you say, what yes or no question do you have for me today?
My girlfriend, is everything gonna go good with her?
Just one moment, let me check with the planets. The planets say don't count on it.
Switch.
Oh man. Okay, first wrestling tournament. I'm really scared though. That Wrecking Ball guy, he's really big and ugly, and I hear that he likes to hit people with chairs.
Wrecking Ball!
He came in like a wrecking ball.
I believe in the Force. And I'm gonna make you look like a baby.
Oh, Stinky Poon.
Yeah,
What's wrong with you?
Suck on that water.
Coming in so fast.
Switch.
Oh, Humlock. Bring me food. Good. No poison. Good.
Por favor.
Switch.
Yes, for only $25, you may ask one more question.
Okay, but this is the last time, because I've got don't count on it like 3 times now. All right?
The planets are anxiously awaiting your question.
Buying the ring or not?
One moment as I consult with the cosmic forces. Yes!
Switch.
I told you not to drive your speeder back from the Haji station.
Dude, I'm sorry. Everybody's doing the death sticks, man.
Switch.
You're gonna make some great shrimp.
Ah, no!
Shrimp!
Switch.
The Cyberknights on this night! We shall battle and see who shall conquer!
Whoa. Wait.
Conquer?
Yes. You're getting a little carried away with this, bro.
Switch.
Wait, what's that behind you?
Nothing! The cosmic forces forbid you from seeing!
Switch.
Check.
This is so much better than wrestling.
Yeah, I know.
Switch.
Get him!
Wait, this is an Ewok.
He's a paparazzi Ewok.